GenOffice destroys Microsoft Office, free, one engineer, 1 week, a full Office suite. That's not a typo. While everyone kept fighting over which big company wins, a tiny team just gave the whole thing away. Docs, sheets, slides, PDF, open, free, with an AI agent baked right in. Sounds impossible, right? Stick with me because I'm going to show you exactly what this is. I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, and my whole job is helping you actually learn and use AI tools in your real work, not just watch demos and forget them. So today we're pulling apart a tool called GenOffice. It just dropped, it's fully open, and it might be one of the wildest things I've seen all year. And near the end, I'll show you the one catch nobody's mentioning, so don't skip out early. Let me start with what GenOffice actually is. It's an Office suite that lives on your computer, not a browser tab, a real app you download for Mac or Windows. Inside it, you get 4 editors, a word processor for docs, a spreadsheet tool for sheets, a slide builder for slides, and a PDF editor. It opens Word files, Excel files, PowerPoint files, and PDFs, the exact formats you already use every day. Here's the first thing I'd do with it. I'd use GenOffice to build a full slide deck for the AI Profit Boardroom. Every month, I want fresh training slides for AI Profit Boardroom members. And normally that's a slow, painful job. With GenOffice, I'd give it the topic, let it plan the storyline, and let it draft every single slide. Then I'd sit down and polish the deck inside the same app. That means AI Profit Boardroom members get clean, clear training slides way faster, and I get my whole week back. That's the kind of thing that keeps people happy inside the AI Profit Boardroom. Now let me back up and explain why this launch is such a big deal. GenOffice was built by a company called GenSpark. They put it out into the world on August 3rd, and here's the part that made my jaw drop. The first version was built by one single engineer in about 1 week. Using AI to write most of the code, that used to take giant teams and years of work. One person did a rough version in 7 days. And they didn't lock it up. They put the whole thing out in the open on GitHub under an open license, which means anyone can look at it, change it, and build on top of it. No strings attached, no ads, no watermarks stamped across your work. Let me talk about the files because this is where a lot of open tools fall apart. When you open a Word file in most free tools, the layout breaks, fonts move, spacing goes weird. GenOffice does something smart. It keeps your original file almost untouched and only changes the exact parts you edit. So when you open and save a Word doc, it doesn't wreck the layout. Same idea for spreadsheets and slides. Your file stays your file. The spreadsheet side is built on a solid open source core, and it handles the real stuff: pivot tables, slicers, conditional formatting, even formula tracing so you can follow where a number comes from. The slide side handles slide masters, charts, cropping, and clean text. The PDF side lets you add notes, fill forms, drop signatures, and move pages around. This isn't a toy, it's a proper set of tools. One honest note, right now GenOffice runs on newer Apple Silicon Macs and on Windows. There's no Linux version and no phone version yet, and it's an alpha, which means early and rough. Keep that in mind. Now, if you're watching this and thinking, okay, I want to actually set this up right and not waste hours guessing, that's exactly what we do inside the AI Profit Boardroom. Here's what that looks like. Inside the AI Profit Boardroom, I break down tools like GenOffice step by step, so you're not staring at a blank screen wondering where to click. We run live coaching calls where you can bring your own setup, share your screen, and ask me the exact question that's blocking you. We map out simple roadmaps so you know what to try first, second, and third. And I share the real prompts I'd use to get GenOffice to draft docs and build decks without the messy back and forth. So when a tool like this drops, AI Profit Boardroom members aren't confused. They're already running it. If that sounds like what you need, keep it in mind for later. All right, let's get into the part that makes GenOffice special. Every one of those 4 editors has an AI panel built right in. And this isn't a chat box bolted on the side. It sits inside your document and works on the actual content. So in a doc, you can highlight a single paragraph and tell it to rewrite that part for a new audience, and it only touches that block. It keeps snapshots so you can see exactly what changed and roll it back if you don't like it. There's also a bigger brain inside called Super Agent. This is the piece that goes and does research, crunches your data, and then writes the doc or builds the deck for you. You give it a goal and it works across the whole file. The AI features run on something called GenSpark credits, and to use them you sign in with a GenSpark account. I'll come back to that in a second because that's the catch I promised. Here's a second way I put this to work. I'd use GenOffice Sheets to build a content tracker for the AI Profit Boardroom. I run a lot of content to bring the right people into the AI Profit Boardroom, and it's easy to lose track of what's planned, what's live, and what's working. I'd set up a clean spreadsheet with the topics, the dates, and the status, then let the AI help me sort it, tag it, and spot the gaps. So instead of a messy list in my head, I'd have one simple sheet running the whole content engine for the AI Profit Boardroom. That's the kind of quiet system that keeps growth steady. Now, let me tell you how you can help shape this thing, because that's part of what makes it fun. GenSpark opened up a group chat for GenOffice, and here's the twist. You don't have to write code to add to it. You just tell the agent what you want. You say, I wish it did this, and your feedback becomes part of the product. And because it's early, people who jump in with real useful feedback get a nice stack of GenSpark credits as a thank you. So if you download it and something feels broken or missing, saying so actually shapes where it goes next. That's a rare thing. Quick tip while you're testing it. Start with a file you already know well. Open one of your own Word docs or slide decks, make a few edits, save it, and open it back up in your normal app to check nothing broke. That's the fastest way to see if it fits your real work before you trust it with anything important. Here's a third way I'd use it. I'd use GenOffice to write the welcome guide new AI Profit Boardroom members get on day one. When someone joins the AI Profit Boardroom, I want them to land and instantly know what to do first. So I'd write a clean welcome doc, let the AI help me tighten the wording, and then turn it into a simple PDF with GenOffice's PDF tools ready to hand over. New AI Profit Boardroom members open it and feel guided from minute one instead of lost. That first impression is everything. Now here's the catch I promised you, and I want to be straight about it. GenOffice is open and free to download, but the smart AI parts, the writing, the deck building, the research, those run through GenSpark's own service, and you need a GenSpark account for them, and they use credits. So open source here does not mean the AI runs fully private on your machine. The editing tools are free and yours. The AI brain phone's home. That's not a deal breaker. It's just something you should know before you go all in. And remember, this is an early alpha, so expect rough edges and give it a little patience. So that's GenOffice, a free open office suite with real AI inside every editor, built shockingly fast and given away to everyone. If you write docs, build sheets, make slides, or wrangle PDFs, it's absolutely worth a look. Before you go, 2 quick things that will help you way more than watching one video. First, if you want the full process, the step-by-step SOPs, and 100+ AI use cases just like this one, join the AI Success Lab. The links are in the comments and the description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 85,000 members who are all learning and crushing it with AI together. And second, here's the honest truth about a tool like GenOffice. You're going to download it, try it, and hit a wall. Maybe the AI login confuses you. Maybe a file doesn't round trip right. Maybe you just want to know the smart prompts to get a full deck in one go. That's exactly where the AI Profit Boardroom comes in. We've got the live coaching calls where you bring your setup and get unstuck fast, the tutorials that show you the workflow, the roadmaps that tell you what to do first, and the prompts that do the heavy lifting for you. With over 4,000 members already inside, you're never figuring this out alone. Come join us at aiprofitboardroom.com.